For today's video, trip rin ako maglakaw uli. Sir, let's see how this goes. Actually, nako unlimited card to ride a bus home. But this time, I chose to walk. Kaya wala na good trip na good ako. Let's see. Init kayo, friend. So right now, ano ko diri sa Gold Souk. So kung nasa mga building guys, mga gold na siya ang balikat tulog. See? Ang init ako eh. Flat building on this one. Okay, so I'm gonna walk there. That's the difference back. That's it. They're good. Here. We look at their flowers here. Nice kaayo. Ay, kainit na good. The Gold Souk is there. Ano ko sa seaside? Seaside! No, lagoon side. So I'll go straight from here. Hindi siya straight. Wiggle ko pero meron akong subayan pa ulit. Let's see if kaya. Alright. Let's go! Na trees dali sa kilid. So I chose to walk on this side rather than walking sa may path. Kaya init ka ay malag. Pag-abot na ako sa balay. Sunburn na gawas friend. Okay. No, nainig ko na. Crossing path. Anyway. Let's go. Update sa atong journey of 1,000 miles. Charot. Hikapoy na ko, friend. But see, this part here, kailangan na kumami dali. Hindi na nakagagian. And now I'm here. Oh, see? Mustap sa tagkamay. There are lots of trees. They're fake na siya. I mean, wala na siya nitubo. Gitanom na siya. Inaanat na siya kanakudaan. Layo ko dito akong journey. Okay. I'm going in years. So, nana ko dali guys niya. For 2 months I've been wondering, unsa di siya dali? No say bridge. I don't know what's in there. I think it's some kind of environmental. I don't know. Let's ask. Hi. May I know what's in there? Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. Ano ba siya? So, it's an island. Update. Tourist spot with butterfly domes. I don't know. And it's kind of weird if I go alone. So, I'll go home and take the bus for now. Kapin ko black ko. Pero doon lang dito ko. Kapin lang dito. Okay? So, it's a bye for now. That's all for today's vlog. Thank you. Sir, waiting for the bus. So the journey continues. Kaya wala yung bus. Oh my god. Almost 30 minutes ko kung nagpin dito. So maglakaw ko kayo. So nagpin dito. I think I'll reach my destination. Anyway, it's a nice view on the coast here. So I will walk. Natin boat na rin guys. So paano siya? More short rest. Ambot kung under na. So kaya na wala dyan bus. Okay. Okay na sila eh. Lagyan na sila biyahe pag sabado. Mauwi kitangat akong pag nakulakaw. No? Ginoo ko Lord. Naglakaw git ko. Gikan sa trabaho pa yung balay. Doon na yun. Baway na ko katapit. Ito na dyan. Kami na ihigda. Pero the weather outside is so nice. Hugno kayo na ni... Ano ba tayo? Ano? Naabot rin dyan. Naabot sa skora sa iskagis. Welcome home.